Okay guys, we're going to go back to the small account today after our holiday, and I tell you now, I'm more knackered now than I was before I went because next to me's made me knock the kitchen out and now I can hardly move.
It wasn't my fault.
It was your fault, you said I had to do it.
We
I know. So let's roll the intro and I'll show you the small account. Okay guys, I did a quick survey and there was quite a few requests for this. Now, it actually doesn't get very many views, so if you want to keep it, do share it and see if we can get the viewership up. Otherwise, I'll just periodically update what I'm doing. Now, at the moment, I've already been into this because I was watching the French elections, or I was waiting to see what the French election vote was last night, and also had to answer all my emails after my break. I did a little bit of scalping, sort of. Will be if I show you. This is where we are now, but that's what I did last night, and then I'll explain what this is all about as well. So I did a little bit last night. Now at the moment, what I'm doing is I'm building this trade from here up to that red mark, and what I'm going to be doing is building it up to roughly these figures. Okay, now I think there's a good opportunity that it's going to surge down, so I'm going to take it out to the max or thereabouts. So I've done 9 positions yesterday, 100%, and I put 11% into it already. Now what I'm looking for is to do this for the month. Okay, now obviously that's just the main target. The better I do, the better. So let me just pull this to one side and we'll have a look. So it's 17 quid against me. Now it sounds pretty harsh and pretty bad, but it's not as bad as it looks. So let me kind of demonstrate that for you. So these are all at 30p a position, whereas last night I was going a bit gun-ho. So it's exactly the same as that. We've got a couple of positions in at this moment in time. All I need to do is just take that out of the way. It's all the same trade, or based on the same trade rather. 0.30. So what this is telling me is it can go to 61 quid's worth of damage. Now this is my daily investment. Now with 30p positions, that means I can have 204 pips if I so wish. All right, I don't, you know, I'm not going to let it run that far against me, but it just means that I can set my trading arenas out. Okay, so at the moment we're doing quite well. I've got 52.87 to go against the month target, and we're on day 1. So I've done 57% of it. Okay, so pull that to one side and we can keep an eye on this. So as you can see, plenty of room. It's going nowhere near. So I can stage it up, and that's what I'm doing. I'm staging in, because one of the beauties of trading is you sell it when it's most green and you buy it when it's most red. Well, that's there. Now for those of you who don't know MT5 very well, a couple of little hacks you can do. So there's my limit. So it's going to be a sell limit. In other words, when it comes up to there, it'll bounce off and then sell down. And if you just drop in a basic sort of TP or stop or whatever, and just drag that out, you can drag and drop it where you want it to be. Now I want that to be there. There's a TP, and when we drag it down to there, and then I'm just going to leave it because I want them all in. I want it to go bang, 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 get them all in, laddered, and then work down. Now my daily target, well, I've already gone through that, is that 568. So we're well ahead of the game. Okay, so that's just triggered in, kaboom. So all I need to do now is watch the cascade as it comes back on itself. Okay, now I'm going to watch it with a 15-minute chart, and then hopefully it'll be done in maybe it's the next hour or so. So I'll leave it running and I'll come back to you shortly. Okay, boys and girls, I've killed it off because it's coming on to 9 o'clock. I'm going to start my day job, but I've done what I needed to do. So if I just flick the sheet back up, bear with me, we'll do in a second. We've added in a couple of extra points, so that's a 38 because I just killed that, sacrificed it, and a 339. And for the 7 o'clock surge, which is what you were looking at just there, it's come in. And all we needed to do was 568. And we've done more than that in that section there, just by scalping and working the waves a little bit. So that's 13 positions, 100% across the day. It's grown the account today by 11.64, and we have done 58% of the target for the month. I don't think that's a bad day's work, don't you? Now, as you see, it's just gradually moving up. So the gross at this moment is 683. Now, my profit split, if I decide to take money, is 35.66. Now, what I do is I half that. So I keep half in the account and I take half as a wage. Let me show you it from this month. So here we keep building up what we want, and that's how much I got out of it that month. And then it grew the account from 500 to 612, but the gross was that. Okay, so we just take money out all the time. And the idea is you're getting paid, but you're building up the account as well. So we'll just plod along, see how we get on, and that's it. So I'll keep these updates going. I do this small account every morning. It's a single setup between 6 and 8, and then you just run it to completion. And then I start my other account at 9 o'clock, which I'm about to do now. And that's it. Trading is all about common sense and planning. That's it. So I do the planning. She apparently doesn't have any common sense, so we work quite well. Isn't that right, my little love? My little love chickie. Yay!
You want to be nice if you want a coffee.
Yeah, you're right, I do, because Scruffy likes a coffee. God almighty, do we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. And he needs it. I'm knackered. I'm knackered. Anyway, so as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.